Saved my pennies, did my research right. Found a mixer that's out of sight. In a world of KitchenAids and shiny lights, I picked the one that just felt right. Anchor What on Carstrom, the dream mixer loved by just a few. Not just a bread maker, no, our loyal group, it steals the show. Big batches and also the small. Cakes, cookies, bread, it does it all. No more clouds of powder in my face. No more rattling and rocking all over the place. Anchor What on Carstrom, the dream mixer loved by just a few. Not just a bread maker, no, our loyal group, it steals the show. Dough roller, what's that? Dough knife, what's that? Cookie whisks, I know what they are. Oh no, you know the bowl spins round while others don't know what we're talking about. And goodness for Facebook, offline folks, they just don't get it. And Carstrom, they stumble and forget it. But here we know, we're in the know. This kitchen assistant steals the show.